to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a while. I started summer school, so my schedule has been kind of hectic. I haven't had time to just be like, you know what, let me make a YouTube video. Summer school online is it's more time consuming than actual going to class. So yeah, but today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Cork canvas mannequin head. So now I will be able to make my wigs, and they're going to be more cuter. They're going to look better because I used to use a styrofoam head. But today I just got my package from Amazon Prime right here, and I'm going to be unboxing it for y'all. I mean, this may not be as interesting to some of you guys, and that means I'm gonna start making some wigs on camera, okay? Because look, I can do that. So this is how the package looks. It just got Amazon Prime on it and got my name on it or whatever. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. I just ordered this yesterday. So Amazon Prime is the stuff. So let me see if I can open this without any scissors, because I don't feel like getting up. Oh my God. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's nothing. I thought they was gonna give me something with this. Okay, so here's my head. I got a GEX Cork canvas mannequin head, and the size of my head is a 22, so I went ahead and got a 22. At first, I did not know that you're supposed to know a certain size for the mannequin heads. So here it is, right here. I got me a Cork canvas head. Now, I would say, like, there's probably going to be a tremendous difference in my wigs now, because this is my actual head size. This really makes me feel like I got a big head. Dang. But here it is. It says GX, and then it got 22 right there. And for y'all that don't know your head size, all you need is a tape measure. And if you have a wig on, I advise you just take it off. And you're just going to measure your head. Now, I'm gonna put one right here, and then I'm gonna wrap it around, and it's gonna be like right here. So if this was my head, it would be a 31. That's kind of big, but no, that's not kind of that. It comes with the Cork canvas head. They gave me a instruction manual right here, if you guys want to see it. And on the back, it just have the tripods that I can get with this. So I'm definitely gonna be purchasing me one. When I looked at the tripods, don't quote me, I could be wrong, but I think they were around $50. Side is just, it tells us like the GEX canvas blockhead is made of 100% cork. And if you don't know what cork is, it is this right here. This is cork right there. So it's made with 100% cork, and it is designed according to a human head shape. And it comes with this different sizes from 20 to 24 inches. So there it is. And then inside it just has like information they want you to know. And then on the back it has the different tripods. Okay. This is the head I used to use. Dang. Yeah. This is the head I used to use, and this is at the beauty supply store. You can start off with this if you don't have enough for Cork canvas head. Cork canvas head is like $23 on Amazon, but if you don't have the funds for that, it's okay. We college students, we struggle sometimes, but if you don't have the funds for that, you can get this at the beauty supply store for like $4.99. So that's like $5 for this. The only dilemma with this is that this is not a legit head size. Like, I don't know whose head this small. I mean, maybe your head is small. But this head size is pretty small, and it's not wide. It's not legit, you know, it's a mannequin head. But with the Cork canvas head, it's a little bit more realistic. So it's like an actual real head. So let's just see the difference. This is the difference. And then the only thing that I don't have that I need to get is a tripod. I have a tripod, but it's for my camera. I don't have a tripod for my mannequin, but I do have one of these for right now, so I'm just using this in the meantime. This is heavy duty, so hopefully it stays. So here it is, and what you do is you just take this, you unscrew it, and you put it in a surface that's like, that will fit, so it can just stay like that. And this is also at the beauty supply store for how much? I would say maybe probably $5 too. I feel like this is literally gonna make it like perfect. So yeah, that was my unboxing of my mannequin head. I'm definitely gonna start making some wigs on camera. I will leave a link in the description box on where I got this head. I got it on Amazon. Just make sure you measure your head before you purchase one. That way it'll be right when you make your wig. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't mind my background, and stay tuned for my next videos. I will be uploading a vlog of when I went to Atlanta, so just stay tuned. And if you are new to my channel, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.